Introducing the dynamic trend Gamma Squeeze Index. This is a chart of the S&P index. Almost every day, the market indexes and active stocks with weekly options tend to trade in some mysterious price level, only to reverse and trade to another mysterious price level. Our extensive research shows this phenomena is mainly a result of gamma-induced squeeze levels on near-term expiring options. We have developed a proprietary logarithm, the DT Gamma Squeeze Index, to calculate these gamma levels prior to the market opening. The index is either positive net gamma or negative net gamma. When the index is trading in the positive gamma area, shaded in blue, a substantial portion of any hedging action will result in buying the underlying. Likewise, when the index is in the negative gamma area, shaded in pink, a substantial portion of any hedging action will result in selling the underlying. In addition, please note large clusters of positive net or negative net gamma in certain levels. These are the result of the trading volumes and open interest in both calls and puts over the last several days, including the current day. The large cluster gamma levels become attractive, or magnet levels. Here, we have added the DT Gamma Index to the SPY chart at the open. Lines from the major cluster levels can be automatically extended over the day's trading period to provide easy reference. For the negative net gamma, the large cluster is around 425. The negative gamma levels below 425 are very small and add very little to the analysis. The 425 level could become a strong price magnet level and support level. As expected, the SPY index traded lower to the 425 level, the largest negative gamma cluster. This level will become a strong support level. If the SPY continues to rally, the next largest cluster is near the 430 level, and since that is in a positive gamma area, the analysis is for the 430 level to become a strong price magnet level. The DT Gamma Index provides a roadmap of the levels where large gamma clusters form. Let's take a look at another example. Here, the largest positive gamma cluster is at 420 and substantially small, indicating very little follow-through to the upside. All other blue positive levels are very minor and shows no upside strength. The SPY index substantially drops to the magnet level of 410, a large negative cluster level. If this support level fails to hold, the next magnet level is below at 405, where there is a large negative gamma cluster. The large gamma cluster levels generated by the DT Gamma Index works well in both directions. In our last example, the DT Gamma Index has identified the large cluster areas. The SPY index used the 405 cluster level as a support to continue the rally. Now, we add the DT Options Volume Sentiment, which measures inside each bar to estimate the actual buying versus selling for both calls and puts. The green shaded area shows the call sentiment, buying versus selling of calls. And the purple shaded area shows the put sentiment, buying and selling of puts. As you can see, there is a tremendous amount of call buying versus put buying, calculated by looking inside each bar. Here, we have added the capability to split the options volume sentiment to the area from which the next rally phase started, from the 405 positive gamma cluster. In the initial rally, look at the call buying disparity when compared to the put buying. Likewise, when the second rally phase started, it was all call buying with very little put buying. This further confirms the rally from an options trading perspective. Finally, we have added our Elliott wave turning point signal, which alerted to an Elliott wave buy at the low, prior to the second rally phase. In closing, combining the DT gamma levels and the DT options call put sentiment provides a new and innovative method to analyze the seemingly random fluctuations in actively traded indexes and stocks. The combination becomes extremely useful when trading options with very short expiration dates and 0 days to expiration contracts. Thank you for watching.